Hi guys, so we just got back from the hike.
We were actually from that mountain.
Yeah, we were from right here. Yeah. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
So ang ganda na talaga ng lake guys. So tingnan
Papunta
nyo.
po kami sa Mount Pinatubo.
Hi guys, so nandito na kami ngayon sa... Saan tayo friend?
Pababa! Tangina.
Basta pababa kami. Alam nyo na kung saan yun. O, diba?
Hi!
Hi guys. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Friend, how do you feel right now?
I feel awesome! Feeling good.
Wow.
I feel good.
Oh my god, I'm sweating.
I'm sweating.
I'm sweating. Oh my god.
Ano? I'm out with my friends.
Ano daw?
And I'm loving it.
Joanna, okay ka lang? Ano, kaya pa?
Good, yeah.
So far so good. Wow.
Okay, we'll see you later.
Oh my god, guys. We're almost there. Friend, we're almost there.
I know, right?
Huh? We can do it, yes. Guys, so they call this lemon square, but it's actually circle.
I'm gonna make it.
Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Jessica, sabihin mo yung problema ko.
Hi guys, natatain na po si Fran.
Tapos,
Walang washroom.
walang washroom dito. Tapos like, sa gitna kami ng bundok. I don't know what to do. Ano bang dapat gawin, friend, kapag ganyan?
Tumakay ka sa kabundukan.
Tapos,
Yan, punasan mo ng mga dahon-dahon.
oh my god, hindi ko kaya yan.
Kayanin mo. Tignan mo si Joanna kinakaya.
Diba? Joanna, kayanin mo. Joanna. Guys, ayan na. Medyo malapit na kami pero sobrang paakyat ng daanan o sobrang steep. Ayan. Jessica, ano, kaya mo pa ba?
Yes.
Ang mahalin nga siya, kinaya mo, hindi ka mahal eh.
Let's go!
Change topic, change topic. Oh my god guys, hindi siya makikita sa video kasi parang flat lang siya pero actually napakataas niya. Napakatarik niya, napaka-steep. Tingnan mo. Oh my god, hindi ko na kaya. Bilisan nyo guys. Ano, pahinga muna?
Oo, pahinga. Tumitibok pa wala yung puso ko.
Wow.
Char.
Hi guys, so we're here.
We made it.
I mean, we're not yet here. We still have to climb like I think 300 meters.
50 meters.
350 or something, so we're gonna be right there, so right now this is the view.
Later.
Yeah. Joanna,
Hi.
how do you like the view? How do you like it? I mean, we're not yet there, but like we're gonna get there soon, so
I will rate it
8 over 10. Wow. High standards. Friend, how would you rate it as of right now? So
9
that
over 10.
I would rate it 10 out of 10 actually. So yeah guys, we're gonna go right there.
Picture tayo.
We're gonna go right there. So ayun na nga. Yeah, bilis.
Ayun na nga, ano?
Ayun na nga, ano?
Dito na po kami, ano?
Oh my god guys, sobrang paakyat talaga ng daanan. Like ganyan siya. Mas paakyat pa yan actually, hindi lang siya halata sa video. Pero in person talaga, sobrang steep niya, sobrang paakyat niya. Si Joanna, hindi ko alam kung nasaan na ba to. Okay. Okay guys, we're gonna keep walking. So ayan guys, pahinga muna kami kasi Nakakapagod talaga. Wow, posing ka dyan.
Yes.
Ano, Joanna, kaya pa? You're good? Ayan guys, we're gonna keep going again. So I'm gonna see you guys in a bit. Ayan guys. Joanna, ano, success?
Success. Sana.
Ayan na, diretso na tayo.
Like here.
Okay, let's go.
This way.
Hi guys, so we're here.
Ano?
Nasa
Anong password?
Barrier Lake na kami on top of it, overlooking. Ayan sina Joanna. Kasi ang problema is naghihintay pa kami na turn namin kasi medyo maraming nakapila doon. So ayun.
Yan, ganyan.
Ayan. Uy Joanna ha, dahan-dahan ka dyan ha. Sige ka. Buwis buhay kasi yung mga shots namin na yun guys. So ayun, pero ayun yung lake sa likod. So ayun, kailangan na namin maghintay guys. Siyempre, patience. Nade-test yung patience ko dito. Alam niyo yun. Ayan guys, so tapos na namin yung pictorial photo shoot. So, uwi na kami. And guys, how was the experience?
It was worth it.
It was so worth it, yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're going back and yeah.
See you guys later.
Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog and don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
okay guys, bye!